Top 5 Best M.2 NVMe to USB Adapter in 2024. Are you searching for best M.2 NVMe to USB adapter? Today I am going to review Top 5 Best M.2 NVMe to USB Adapter. I made this list based on my personal opinion, based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback, and other related issues. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. JEYI Visual Smart M.2 NVMe Enclosure. Built-in RTL9210B Dual Protocol 10G High-Speed Master Control Theoretical Read/Write Speed up to 1000 M. Support both NVMe protocol and SATA protocol. Supports trim, ASPM, UASP acceleration, and sleep mode, plug and play, allowing data transmission across multiple devices such as desktops, laptops, cell phones, tablets, cameras, etc. at high speed across platforms and scenes. Compact body with good feel, length only 103 mm, width only 32.5 mm, thickness only 11.5 mm. Multi-fin on all sides to support heat dissipation, so that the disk is always running at normal temperature, and always take care of the disk. Number 2. UGREEN M2 SSD Case. Dual Protocol Support NVMe/SATA. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 makes the NVMe enclosure data transmission speed up to 10 gigabits per second, Thunderbolt 3 compatible. 6 gigabits per second speed as an M.2 SATA enclosure. The slimline design features a lightweight aluminum casing for superior portability and excellent heat dissipation performance, which provides your SSD with great all-around protection. With the white LED indicator, you can learn the working status of this M2 case easily. Flashing means processing data transmission. Ultra-slim aluminum case with an extra silicone case, portable yet durable. Much easier to carry with this NVMe external enclosure, ideal for traveling. Tool-free installation. Slide to open the case, remove the fixing clip, put the SSD in, insert the fixing clip, rotate 45 degrees to lock, cover the outer case. Number 3. ORICO M2 SSD Enclosure. If you're looking to transfer your computer's OS and/or files to a new M.2, you definitely need to consider using ORICO's M.2 NVMe SATA SSD enclosure to get the job done quickly and smoothly. Portable and durable, which is very suitable for driving. Internal SSD is firmly using rubber fastener, and it is not easy to pop up at will. Useful. The SSD enclosure can be used to store your NVMe SSD, and it is very convenient to use. Tool-free, easy to assemble, open and lock the case with one click to prevent SSD from slipping out. Compatibility SSD, suitable for various occasions. The SSD enclosure is suitable for all kinds of hard drives, such as computers, laptops, cameras, etc. Portable and durable. LED indicator 10-minute auto sleep. Number 4. GUDGA M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure Adapter Tool. Feature: M.2 NVMe to USB 3.1 hard drive enclosure. Support NVMe PCIe protocol. Suitable for M.2, BM key/M key, SSD. M.2 SATA SSD not support. Support M.2 NVMe SSD, 2230 mm, 2242 mm, 2260 mm, 2280 mm solid-state drives. SSD hard drives are not included. The output speed depends on the type of SSD you use. NVMe, 10 gigabits per second. The aluminum alloy shell increases the heat dissipation area, which facilitates the heat dissipation of the hard disk during work and increases the life of the hard disk. Support UASP protocol. Tool-free, easy to use, no need to drive. Number 5. HIKSEMI 10 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SATA SSD Enclosure, high-quality master chip. The M.2 NVMe drive features an advanced RTL9210B chip with short-circuit, overcurrent and multi-protection to ensure the safety of your SSD and valuable data. 10 gigabits per second speed, SATA M.2 NVMe enclosure. Up to 10 gigabits per second high speed with NVMe SSD via USB 3.1 Gen 2, 6 gigabits per second speed with SATA M.2 SSD. Up to 1000 megabytes per second, perfect solution for data transfer and backup. Actual transfer rate depends on SSD speed and USB port type.